We have a broken extractor fan, so I thought I'd make a video showing how easy it was to replace it. So the first thing you've got to do is work out what size of fan you have. In Australia these come in two sizes, 200mm and 250mm, but these dimensions relate to the diameter of the blades, not to the size of the cover or the sealing hole cutout. To remove the old cover, keep in mind that there are little lugs spaced around the cover, like this, and my cover needed a lot of force to actually remove it. Unscrew the clamps holding the fan tight in the hole. Once unscrewed, you can rotate the clamp arms inwards to allow the fan to be removed from the hole. And because this is a DIY fan, it's not hardwired, and you simply just unplug it. Measure the size of the hole and buy a fan to match the hole size. This hole was approximately 240mm across, which matches the cutout size of a 200mm fan. Get someone to hold the fan with their fingers clear of the blades while you plug it in. Push the fan into the hole, ensuring the cable will clear the blades. Move the clamp arms into the open position. As you screw the clamp arms tight, the fan will be pulled snug against the ceiling. And the final step is just to push the fan cover on, clicking it into position all the way around. Cheerio!